School donde mo kopi nige?
Donde po lang theong lang hata he theong.
Sipadug dan lang po.
My beautiful village, full of greenery, no modern technology, and a school far across rivers without bridges. These are my friends whom I love playing with. I'm Gonessen. I love studying, writing, and going to school. Our school is far, across rivers. I live with my hard-working father, a farmer. I'll study hard and take care of him one day.
Oh, Goneson! Goneson!
Tiga po.
Lana tanta ko.
Kemana po?
Our village faces a significant challenge. The only school is situated far away, necessitating the navigation of treacherous rivers to reach its distant shores. Unfortunately, this obstacle prevents numerous children, including myself, from receiving an education.
School donde mo kopi nige?
Donde po lang theong.
Dunon mati ko.
Dunai he donde.
Bakot nige duk ana chok lupo. Nisong na chimandu nang nilupo.
Lang theong donde.
Nisong na chimandu nang nilupo. Nang taha lo chali tu cepat tek dunon po ayat non po.
Lang hata he nige. Long bedale.
Dolong ta mo di sia kirap loi mati po. Dolong abita ko pulang po eko pai si kitang lok lok po. Ilipan masih rapang tu mati po.
Donde nige donde.
Dun bor inon tipo. Dun bor inon.
Dilong bele.
Dolong ta tu po ani sige tu hanta bang nang lain mati po sarkar to. Koson lo po. Ni na thon dunon mante. Na thon dunon ma. Lang hari he mago. Anu oma. Da te tahola da bek le chen mo da thon po da. Papramu de. Papramu. Da dam sira da ka jo jo. Sa. Mama. Dah. Lah kalau
I consider myself fortunate to spend my days with my devoted father, who provides for me and cares for me unconditionally. He is an extraordinary father deserving of the utmost praise. While my father usually accompanies me to school, there are times when his work obligations prevent him from picking me up. It is during these instances that I must face the daunting challenge of crossing the river alone. A river that instills fear within me. Yet, my unwavering passion for studying propels me forward. I understand that to become a great person one day, I must excel academically. After all, my father won't remain strong and youthful forever. After school, my father informed me that he wouldn't be able to pick me up. As I crossed the river, my heart pounds with anticipation and fear. But tragedy suddenly strikes with the force of thunderbolt. I lost my footing, slipping through the grass of life itself. In that fateful moment, I feel my dreams shattered, my breath stolen away. I am gone, forever lost to this world. Is this the end? Can it be true? My absence from home will surely torment my father, engulfing him in an endless abyss of worry. He comes to collect me, unaware of the cruel twist of fate that has befallen me. But alas, I am but a ghost, a mere specter trapped in the ethereal plane. Dear God, I beseech you, watch over my father in my stead. May you bestow upon this land a bridge, a guardian of hope.
Semetang kante?
Sopo semitang mo.
Semetang mo po. Kita bendul biar ada po.
In Karbi Anglong, many areas struggle with inadequate bridges and poor road conditions. This poses challenges for students and sick individuals who must cross river on foot. Additionally, the limited number of schools hinders access to quality education for children.